Chapter 14 Industries. Get set. How is your uniform made? Rearrange the steps to find out. Looming and producing fabric, stitching fabric into uniform, cleaning and refining cotton, spinning and threading cotton, plucking cotton. There are many things we use in our daily life. Some of them may be handmade, but most of the things we use are made in factories or industries. From the simplest pen to the most updated mobile phone, almost everything is made in an industry. An industry refers to the activity of producing goods or offering services to earn money or gain profit. Goods or services are produced by converting raw materials into finished products. The goal is achieved by recruiting skilled labor and with the help of machines. Industries play an important role in the utilization of resources, contributing to the economic development of any nation. Requirements of an industry. Funding is the prime determinant for setting up an industry. Apart from this, the location of an industry depends upon various other requirements such as availability of raw materials. In determining the location of an industry, nearness to sources of raw materials is of vital importance. It would reduce the cost of production of the industry. For most of the major industries, the cost of raw materials form the bulk of the total cost. Therefore, most of the agro-based and forest-based industries are located in the vicinity of the sources of raw material supply. Availability of labor. Adequate supply of cheap and skilled labor is necessary for an industry. The availability of skilled workers in the interior parts of Bombay region was one of the factors responsible for the initial concentration of cotton textile industry in the region. Proximity to markets. Industries producing perishable or bulky commodities which cannot be transported over long distance are generally located in close proximity to markets. Industries located near the markets could be able to reduce the cost of transport in distributing the finished products, as in the case of bread and bakery, ice, tins, cans manufacturing, etc. Transport facilities. Transport facilities generally influence the location of an industry. The transportation with its three modes, that is water, road and rail, collectively plays an important role. So, the junction points of waterways, roadways and railways become humming centers of industrial activity. Further, the modes and rates of transport and transport policy of government considerably affect the location of industrial units. Power. Another factor influencing the location of an industry is the availability of cheap power. Water, wind, coal, gas, oil, and electricity are the chief sources of power. During the 19th century, nearness to coal fields became the principal locating influence on the setting up of new industries, particularly for heavy industries. With the introduction of other sources of power like electricity, gas, oil, etc., the power factory became more flexible, leading to dispersal and decentralization of industries. Types of industries. An industry can be classified on the basis of its size or the raw materials used. Depending upon the raw materials used, industries can be divided into two types: agro-based industries and mineral-based industries. Agro-based industries. These industries use agricultural products as the raw materials. Cotton textiles, food processing, sugar, etc. are some examples of agro-based industries. Think a while. What are the minerals that are used as raw materials in mineral-based industries? Mineral-based industries. These industries use minerals as the raw materials. Iron and steel, electric goods, oil refineries, etc. are some examples of mineral-based industries. Depending upon the size, capital, kind of machines and number of laborers, We can divide industries into three types: cottage industries, small-scale industries, and large-scale industries. Cottage industries. Industries that are generally set up at home and in which very few people work are called cottage industries. Mostly the workers engaged in such industries belong to the same family. They use the raw materials which are easily available nearby. These industries require a small capital. Such industries include toy making, basket making, carpet weaving, pottery, handloom, handicraft, etc. Small-scale industries. Small-scale industries are generally set up on a small scale. They require unskilled or semi-skilled workers. These industries produce large quantities of finished goods with the help of small machines. Such industries include soap, hosiery, electronic goods, utensils, plastic goods, etc. Large-scale industries. Large-scale industries are set up on a very large scale. Thousands of people are employed in it. These industries need large capital than the small-scale industries. These industries also require continuous and huge supply of raw materials and electricity to run the machines and a good transport system to send the products to different places. This is the reason why these industries are located near big cities where such facilities are easily available. Such industries include textile, iron and steel, sugar, automobile, heavy electric goods, aeroplane manufacturing, etc. Think a while. Kshama has employed few people at her home to make toys. What type of industry does she own? Some major industries of India. Textile industry. Textile industry is the oldest and largest industry of India. Different types of cloth materials such as silk, woolen, cotton, jute and synthetic are produced in textile mills. Chirpy says, Ahmedabad has the largest number of textile mills. It is known as the Manchester of Gujarat. Some of the major locations of textile mills are as follows. Textile mills location. Cotton textile mills. Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Sholapur, Kolhapur, Indore, Ujjain, Madurai, Coimbatore. Woolen textile mills. Amritsar, Ludhiana, Mumbai, Kanpur, Panipat. Silk textile mills. Bengaluru, Mysore, Surat, Varanasi, Bhagalpur, Coimbatore, Kanchipura. Iron and steel industry. Iron and steel is the basic industry of India. We cannot have machineries for our factories without iron and steel. India has rich deposits of iron ore and coal. Coal is required for extracting iron from its ore. Therefore, these industries are mostly located near the coal and iron ore mining regions. These industries use many minerals such as iron ore, coal, limestone, manganese, etc. to make railway tracks, engines, ships, vehicles, and various types of machines. Major iron and steel plants are located at Jamshedpur, Bokaro, Bhilai, Rourkela, Salem, Durgapur, and Visakhapatnam. Sugar industry. India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world. There are over 840 sugar mills in India. These industries are mostly located near sugarcane producing areas. Most of the sugar mills are found in Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra. Chirpy says, Iron and steel industry is a basic industry which leads to industrial diversification. Automobile industry. The automobile industry is one of the most vibrant and growing industries of India. It includes cars, buses, trucks, scooters, motorcycles, etc. A large number of industries are manufacturing different types of automobiles, both for civil and defense uses. These industries have been revolutionized in matters of model, shape, speed, carrying capacity, etc. The chief automobile manufacturing centers are located in Mumbai, Kolkata, Jabalpur, Gurugram, Faridabad, Nasik, and Jamshedpur. Some of the other important industries and industrial centers in India are as follows. Industrial centers. Heavy electrical goods. Ranchi, Bhopal. Aeroplane manufacturing. Lucknow, Nasik, Bengaluru, Hyderabad. Shipbuilding. Vishakhapatnam, Kochi, Mumbai. Oil refinery. Vishakhapatnam, Digboy, Mumbai, Mathura, Barauni, Kochi. Pharmaceuticals, Vadodara, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. Industries help a country to progress. The industrial growth is the base of the economic growth of a country. It provides work to a large number of people and improves the living standard of the people of the country. Quick review. An industry refers to the activity of producing goods or offering services to earn money or gain profit. Funding is the prime determinant for setting up an industry. The location of an industry depends upon availability of raw materials and labor, proximity to markets and transport and power supply facilities. Depending upon the raw materials used, industries can be agro-based and mineral-based. Depending upon the size, capital, kind of machines, and number of laborers, industries can be cottage, small scale, and large scale. The textile industry is the oldest and the largest industry of India.